I went to sleep, broke as fuck, dreaming of a better life, with a barely running truck, with a flashing fuel light, waking up to dead-end jobs that I didn't even like, tunnel vision to the bullshit that gets thrown at me alive, yeah, tunnel vision, tunnel vision, tunnel vision, yeah, tunnel vision, tunnel vision, I'm a rap exhibit for a couple million on social media. They took me in as a nobody when I was painting houses for them rich people. Pulling up the cribs with my ragged clothes, big chandeliers and a Range Rover. Putting drop cloths down on my hands and knees on some snobby motherfuckers model flow. Busting ass 7 days a week, not knowing what I wanted with my own life. And I smoked most of my summer money trying to venture off in a different path. Sitting in the woods just brainstorming till I finally heard the damn thunderclap. And I left the party scene ASAP, started walking tall and never turned back. I went to sleep, broke as fuck, dreaming of a better life, with a barely running truck, with a flashing fuel light, waking up to dead-end jobs that I didn't even like, tunnel vision to the bullshit that gets thrown at me alive, yeah, tunnel vision, tunnel vision, tunnel vision, yeah, tunnel vision. Yeah, I kept walking till I couldn't see shit except the vision I wanted so badly of. Split plenty days on them logging trails, just Mother Nature and the sky above. Shed plenty tears on them honeysuckles. The South knows all my problems, son. Fell asleep in La La Land with them critters guided by the lightning bug. Just listen to the bullfrog sing soprano in a creek chorus underneath the moon. Farmhouse over yonder in the distance flickers cause the wind has got an attitude. I guess I drifted in the right direction and I went away. I structured all up on my own. Now I'm sitting in the same damn hall. I see the gold trim cap. I went to sleep, broke as fuck, dreaming of a better life, with a barely running truck, with a flashing fuel light, waking up to dead-end jobs that I didn't even like, tunnel vision to the bullshit that gets thrown at me alive, yeah.